U.S. House of Representatives is expected to vote Thursday on a $485 billion relief package. It's for small businesses impacted by COVID-19. But many small business owners say they're struggling to get that government relief money. ABC4's Brittany Johnson has the story.
When the payroll protection program was announced, Joel Bernasek knew he needed to be first in line.
I applied for it immediately. I had my paperwork in the very first day, as early in the morning as I possibly could.
Bernasek and his wife own Assured Direct Mail in Lehigh, a veteran-owned direct mail printing company for businesses in Utah and nationwide. They're part of the thousands of small business owners around the country left empty-handed when the first $350 billion payroll protection program ran dry.
When we have such a drastic hit to our business, it's hard to keep our employees employed. And I was really banking on the PPP to help out.
The Bernaseks are in a catch-22. If they lay off their employees, which they don't want to do, the business becomes ineligible for a PPP loan. While in limbo, the Bernaseks have been dipping into their personal savings to pay employees.
If we keep on the same path for months, there's no way I can keep the doors open.
Congress says more money is on the way. A second relief package. If it passes the House and receives the president's signature, Joel will take another shot at applying. But there's no guarantee any money will come his way.
This is a very scary time. I never thought in a million years that we would be going through something like this.
A concern raised by Utah Governor Gary Herbert is that money from the first round of PPP wasn't distributed equally and fairly. Relief went to many large business chains and not small businesses like the Bernaseks.
We have some businesses that are surprised that they're not being approved for a loan, and other businesses that are getting more than maybe what they even thought they needed. And so I think there's some inequities in the system on the federal monies anyway.
I'm Brittany Johnson, ABC4 News.
Bernaseks have applied for other loan programs as well, but have yet to hear anything back. And we know there are more Utahns experiencing this same thing. So we've put resources for you on our website, abc4.com.